Buckle up, CNMI. Right now we're in Chalancanoa, Saipan, where we're having our picnic with you know, with some friends. Actually, this is our favorite part of favorite party. This is my backyard right here. There's my house. See? MTV, you see my rights, you see my house, so get the fuck out of here.
Okay, let's go to our friends. Introduce.
We're going to introduce some of our friends. This is my fucking brother.
Yo.
See that?
Wow.
Boy, interview mo sila lahat.
Ay. Ano naman Hindi. Buti nga.
That's our grandmother.
Inilipat niya. Grandmother. Ayaw.
Here's my wife. And that's Mikolo.
This is our wife?
Mine.
Mikolo. This is my current friend. Just a tourist.
She eating. Hey.
Hoy, dalawang kamote, pumunta nga kayo dito. Ang mga bata.
Tara, hindi ka na makatayohan na. Napako ka na.
Kasi yung cup.
Dalawa yung baso, ayan o.
What's the file name? Pag kinanap mo sa YouTube.
I don't know. Ask Bugs. Nasa ano mo daw, website mo. Insta.
Baka inad nila sa comment mo.
Siguro boy.
Kasi kinoment sa akin ni Leo yun dati. Yung video namin.
Disgust.